when working with WordPress and when you need to make customizations to the default functionality of WordPress, the theme that you are using, or the plugins that you're using, it is important that you don't go about modifying the plugins code or the themes code or the code from the WordPress core. The reason for this is because these packages, the WordPress core, the themes, and the plugins, they get updated from time to time as the developer realizes that there are security fixes they need to make. And when that happens and you update the plugins, the code, the new version of that plugin will be brought in and it replaces whatever changes that you have made. So can you imagine if you have taken 10 hours to customize a plugin to fit your needs, and then one day you go into the WordPress backend, realize there's an update, and you press update the plugin, and the new version of plugin comes in and replaces all your code. All your customizations are gone. You don't want that, do you? So, what is the solution? The solution is to use hooks and filters. Okay, WordPress hooks. And there are two types of WordPress hooks. The first one is an action hook. So an action hook basically is within the plugins code. You can see where they have set up these action hooks where you do specific actions. Then using the add action function, you can actually get your code to run at these specific instances. The second type of hook is a filter. And a filter basically is a type of hook where some content is passed in, and you do the processing of the content, and then you have to return the content back to where the execution of the code is. So for example, in the WordPress native functionality, there is a hook, a filter for the main content. So for example, if you want to add a button at the end of every blog post, you could use the add filter function to get the contents of that blog post and then append the button, the HTML of the button, and then return it back to where it is. It will continue to be processed. So these are the two different types of hooks that you can use to customize WordPress according to your needs. So remember, when customizing WordPress plugins or themes, do your best. Don't touch the native code in WordPress, in the plugins or your themes. Hope that helps. I'll see you tomorrow.